I look at equity from my own perspective. My nation looks at equity in my national perspective. LDCs are looking equity from our own perspective, say 48 different countries. But in a setting, developing countries are looking at equity from that perspective. Developed countries are looking equity from their perspective. Say, USA in year 2020, they have a per capita GDP of order of $40,000. And in year 2020, what will be the per capita income or per capita parity for, say, average Bangladeshis? Will it be $4,000? Will that be equitable one? So those questions we have to ensure. Of course, they are at an advanced stage. We can't cope with them, but there should be some balance. There should be some equi-distribution. Even within our countries, there should be some equi-distribution. At least we have to have that approach so that everybody is can raise his or her well-being. Humankind is at par. Nobody is discriminating aggressively. Say there should not be bias towards a certain group, certain percentage of the population. Everybody has a human right. Everybody has a right to development. And that right to development should be ensured, protected. Of course, there will be some differentiation. There will be some, common but differentiated responsibilities. But that should be equitable. At least there should be some criteria. There should be some threshold. There should be some, conditions for that.